In this video, we're going to take a quick look at Frankford Arsenal's aluminum powder funnel kit. Gavin here from ultimatereloader.com. I am a fan of these funnel kits where you have different inserts for different size case necks. It just makes it easy to keep things organized and gives you the flexibility with this particular kit to go all the way from 17 caliber all the way up to 35 caliber plus. So I've not taken a look at this yet. Let's get this baby out of the box and see what we've got included in here with the kit. Nice case, as is typical from Frankford Arsenal. Ooh, that's a nice surface finish on there. So these are ultra smooth anodized finish, and there's an anti-static coating, which I really like the idea of. So we've got 1720, we've got 224, 243, 257, 264, 277, 284, 308, 325, 338, and 350 plus. Pretty cool. And what I thought I'd do to give you guys a quick demo was, I've got my loading block here, I've got a 308 case, and I've got a 22 GT case. These are going to both fit in this 308 loading block, and we're going to be able to take a look at the 22 cal insert and the 308 insert. So I'm going to take the 224 insert. We'll start with the 22 GT. You'll notice there's a little O-ring here that's going to keep this snapped into place. I've got my 22 GT case here. What we can do is set that on the case, dispense our load, and then pour this in. I'm wondering how this anti-static coating is going to work. And that just like fell straight in. That's pretty cool. Let's do that again. Set that on the case. We can alternate that each time, of course, in our loading block. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so now let's switch inserts and go up to 30 cal for our 308 case. So I'm going to put my 224 insert back in, grab Mr. 308. Go ahead and set it on the 308 case. Same thing. One more time. Yep. One thing I'm looking for when it comes to these kinds of funnels is, do they slide up and down? Sometimes you'll get these inserts here that are a little too tight or have too much friction, and they'll actually pull the entire case up. Sometimes that can cause the case to flip over and spill all of its powder, and that looks really good. So this kit comes with a nice case. It's going to cover kind of all of the different common cartridges that you're going to want to use a funnel with. I totally like that. My question for you, have you tried this kit? What do you think of it? What other kind of funnel setups are you using? Drop a comment and we'll start a discussion. If you click on that first link in the video description, in the article there will be a list to the product page and some additional information. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make your voice heard. If you have something to say, please drop a comment. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications, because you're not going to want to miss the awesome content that is coming up. And finally, flex your reloading pride. You could look great in one of these t-shirts. We've got multiple designs at the Ultimate Reloader store. I'll see you later, because I'm off to go shooting.